Hello kids! Our lesson for today is dividing fractions. So how are you going to divide fractions? Dividing two fractions is the same as in multiplying the first fractions by the reciprocal of the second fractions. The first step in dividing fraction is to find the reciprocal. So reciprocal is to inverse the numerator and denominator of the second fractions. Next, multiply the two numerators, then multiply the two denominators. So, here is an example. 2/5 divide by 1/5. So, here, we are going to find first the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, magiging ito ngayon ang reciprocal ng 1/5. The reciprocal of 1/5 is, so magiging ganito. 2/5. The reciprocal of 1/5 is 5/1. Kasi binaliktad natin yung 1/5 at nagiging 5/1. Ngayon, itong division symbol na ito, divide, pagdating sa dividing fraction, yung division ay magiging multiplication. No? And then we are going to multiply now. 2 times 5 equals 10. 5 times 1 equals 5. So magiging ganito na mga bata. 10/5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 5 times 1 equals 5. Ngayon, pwede pa natin i-simplify ang 10/5 dahil pwede pa natin i-divide. 10 divided by 5 equals. Now, let us have another example. 2/3 divide by 4/5. So here, 2/3 you are going to keep. So, at is siya. No? Hindi mo siya babaguhin. And then divide, you are going to change to multiply. And then 4/5 you are going to flip. Or you are going to inverse 4/5. Inverse it. This will become 5/4. And then let us have the solution now. So 2/3 times 5/4 equals 10/12. So 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 4 equals 12. Now you can still simplify 10/12 by what? So, think of a number na pwedeng i-divide sa 10/12. Ano kaya yung number na yon? Yes, tama. Divide by 2. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, your final answer is 5/6. So, this is now your final answer. 5/6. So, how about dividing a whole number by a fractions? So, katulad ng sinabi ko, yung 6 ay understood na may 1 sa ilalim. So, maging ganito ang gagawin natin. So, solution. 6/1 times 3/1. So, kinuha natin yung inverse ng 1/3 ay nagiging 3/1. And then go to multiplication process, magiging 18/1. So, 6 times 3 equals 18. 1 times 1 equals 1. So, your final answer is equals 18. So, 18 is the final answer because 18 divided by 1 is 18. Tingnan naman natin ngayon itong example na to. Dividing a fractions by a whole number. 1/3 divided by 6. So, ito ay binaliktad natin. Nasa pangalawa ngayon yung whole number. So, understood na ang 6 ay may 1 sa ilalim niya. So, tingnan natin. This is now the solution. 1/3 times 1/6. Kasi yung reciprocal ng 6/1 is 1/6. And then, let us multiply. 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 times 6 equals 18. So, the final answer is 1/18. This is now the final answer because it is in the simplest form. Nasa simplest form na siya. Now, let us have this last example. Dividing mixed number. 5 and 3/5 divide by 2 and 1/3. So, gagawin muna natin siyang improper fraction. So, convert mixed numbers to fractions. So, let us see. 28/5. So, paano nakuha ang 28/5? 5 times 5 equals 25. Plus 3 equals 28 over 5th or 28/5. So, nagiging improper fraction. And then the other one is 7/3. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. And then third. And then 28/5 times. Pinalitan natin ang divide ng times. And then, kinuha natin yung reciprocal ng 7/3. Nagiging 3/7. Ngayon, ito, pwede tayong mag-cancel. 28 and 7. Cross-cancel. Ano kaya pwede natin i-divide sa 28